Welcome to WebbyCrown Solutions. In this walkthrough, you will learn how to install, configure, and use the AI Suggestions add-on to level up communication in Odoo. Drafting consistent emails, rewriting responses, and maintaining brand tone can be slow. AI Suggestions automates chatter, mail templates, and quick replies while keeping you in control of prompt logic and governance. First, install the module from Apps. Grant AI Mail Manager to administrators who configure prompts and providers, and assign AI Mail User to teammates who will trigger AI actions in Composer and Discuss. Next, open Settings and choose your provider: OpenAI, Azure, Anthropic, Vertex, Cohere, OpenRouter, or Custom Endpoint. Enter API keys and base URLs. Custom Endpoint should accept the JSON payload documented in provider_custom.py and return a simple content string or OpenAI-style response. Configure prompt to shape AI behavior. Set system prompts for mail templates, quick replies, and custom flows. Adjust HTML and plain text template instructions. Responses must remain JSON with body_HTML. Build reusable prompt templates per model using placeholders like context, record, tone, and preview before publishing. In the Composer or Chatter, click the AI button to draft, rewrite, summarize, change tone, or translate. The system merges record data and previous conversations, so outputs stay contextual and on-brand. For mail templates, select Generate with AI. You will receive JSON containing body_HTML that respects placeholders such as object.partner_ID.name. Even if settings are empty, fallback prompts ensure a valid result. Discuss channel surface quick prompt tailored to each business model, while custom actions reuse permission checks. Only authorized users see AI options. Monitor adoption by opening AI Suggestions, usage logs. Review prompts, providers, and token counts. Built-in PII redaction strips emails and phone numbers before they reach the provider, and rate limits plus per group access keep usage governed. If you need help or want to collaborate on new ideas, reach us at sales@webbycrown.com or info@webbycrown.com. Install AI Suggestions today. Configure your prompts and empower every team with AI-driven consistency. Visit webbycrown.com to learn more.